What's good? What's good? And good morning from Canada. So, how are we feeling? A little nervous? A little on edge? Or we're like the market's on sale? Well, guys, I wanted to go over some basic technical analysis for the Master Energies, BTC, and ETH. Kind of tell you guys what I'm looking at. I don't think you have anything to be worried about. The bull run is not over, in my humble opinion. I think we have much more to go. We are going through a correction. Obviously, we broke through that $54,000 level, and we've come down to 49,000. So I'm going to go over the charts for BTC and ETH and kind of tell you what I'm seeing. Nothing to be worried about. So if you get any value out of this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. So we're here on BTC on the 1 day. Currently, we're holding support at about 49,000. We can see here we broke through the 20 EMA and the 50 EMA on the 1 day. But guys, I wanted to show you something so you don't have to worry too much. I know people really freak out during these corrections. But if we go back on the chart here, we go about a few months back. So we're here at the beginning of January, about January 10th. If we look at this correction here, this correction was 30%, all right, guys? And if we look at this correction in February, this correction was 26%. If we look at the correction in March, this correction was 18%. If we look at the correction right now in April, this correction is, right now we're sitting at about 26%, all right, guys? So there's a famous saying in the investing technical analysis world, when in doubt, zoom out. People get so caught up in looking at the day or the week that they don't zoom out to look at the month, to look at the year, and to see that these corrections are healthy. We can see here on the RSI on the 1 day, we're sitting at about 30. So we're very close to oversold. And we can see here, we haven't been that close to oversold since September of last year. So we might see some buying action pretty soon. There is also the possibility that we trend to oversold, we break through, and we trend downwards and find support at about 45,000. We could also find support at about 47,000. If we were to break through that, well, we could drop all the way down to 40K. It's a possibility. Obviously, we don't want to see that, but we are going through a correction right now. I believe in the last bull run, they were talking about in the Discord, BTC was at 20K, and then it dropped all the way down to 6K before it went up to 40K. So that's also something to keep in mind. So I wanted to show you guys BTC on the 4 hour. What is with my internet? Come on, bro. Well, okay. So we can see here we've broken through the 200 EMA, the 20 EMA, and the 50 EMA. So obviously we want to start trending back upwards, higher highs, higher lows, and get back above those EMAs would be great. And we can see here on the RSI we're sitting about 35. And when we had some major corrections, we got to, on the 4 hour chart, we got to about 25 on the RSI. So that's oversold. So to think that, the bull run is over, if you just have to zoom out and look back at the other corrections and see how similar they are. And then once we start to see those bulls come in and we see that buying action, in my opinion, we're going to go to 80 to 100K. So I don't think we have anything to worry. It's a correction. The market is on sale. Obviously, it's hard for us to do price predictions when we're going through such huge corrections, because BTC and ETH are the master energy, and the altcoins move with those coins. So that's always something to remember if you're new to crypto. So we'll hop over to ETH. I'm going to put it on the 1 day real quick, because ETH is actually pretty healthy. We can see here we're the candles are above the 20 EMA, just bouncing off it, which is beautiful. The 50 EMA is right there, and we're quite a ways away from the 200 EMA. So this chart is very healthy, in my opinion. We may find support at about 21,000. But ETH is not looking too bad at all. I mean, we're sitting at about 55 on the RSI. We did have that little correction of about 22-24%. And our last correction, which was in February, well, we had a small correction here, but this correction was about 35%. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna close that. So nothing to worry about. I mean, ETH is healthy. It's trending upwards nicely, and it's resting on that 20 EMA, bouncing off it. So that's a great sign. So keep an eye on BTC. Hopefully we hold these levels. If we don't, we'll break through. We'll find, even if we break through, like break down and find support at 45,000, even if we break down to 40,000, guys, the bull run is not over, in my opinion. Like I said, if we were talking about, they were saying in the Discord, the last bull run went from 20K to 6K and then to 40K. All right, guys. So just keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on these resistance, these support levels. And hopefully we can start seeing some bulls, and we can start seeing that buying action. We'll start trending back upwards. All right, guys. It might be, it might be a week, maybe 2 weeks for this correction to take place. But if you compare it to other bull runs, and you compare it to even these corrections in this bull run, I don't think you have anything to worry about. All right, guys. So we could pop over to CoinMarketCap and everything's in the red. So, if you're getting into the crypto game, I know it's nerve-wracking to buy when there's this large of a correction, but this is when, the average Joe becomes the millionaire and quits his job, is when you see these major corrections and they start to get into crypto. Like XRP's $1.10. What were we at? Like $1.98 before this correction. So there's some, even VeChain has come down to 19 cents. So there's definitely some coins I'll be looking to get into on the dip. Even some coins that I made. I mean, I already have like 25 coins in my portfolio, but IOTA at $1.74, like holy smokes, that's a steal. BitTorrents at 0.006. Like you're probably never gonna see these cheaper prices again during this bull run. So if you're looking for an opportunity, not financial advice, now might be the time. All right, guys. Make sure you believe in your coins that you're invested in, and if you're in some fun money plays. It's funny, I've been making some videos on some new coins, I always say in the video, like, I consider them to be fun money plays. Hungry Bear, Safe Moon, anything like that can just absolutely moon or can absolutely crash. I always say fun money plays. I still have the haters like, bro, why are you talking about these coins, shit coins, you're losing your credibility. I'm like, I always say fun money, but you're always gonna have those commenters. All right, guys, but always, in my opinion, like, I'll share with you my investing strategy. The majority of my investments into crypto are into the strong companies like Engine, like Crow, like I love like Decentraland. I'm trying to think of other ones. XRP. Let me pop open the watch list real quick. The YouTube portfolio. Oh my goodness, I'm not logged in. What do you mean? Oh lordy lord. Even like Stellar, XLM. I like Tron. Like the companies that you really believe in, that's what I invest my large portions into. And then I have a little bit of fun money to throw at Safe Moon, to throw at Hungry Bear. You can turn $100 into $1,000, or you can turn $100 into $20. And even if you put $20, you can turn that into $200. Like, oh, you're losing your credibility. I'm like, dude, I said they're fun money plays, but it's all good. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe. Try not to worry too much. From my personal opinion, it's just a correction. And I think, I believe that BTC has the ability to go to 80 to 100K in this bull run, maybe even more. All right, guys, so I'll see you in the next one. Follow me on social, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love. Take care.